LeadMe, changing the settings after an app update. Unfortunately, when LeadMe is updated, you need to reset the settings. If the device is in Kiosk mode, when you click on play, you won't be able to update the settings. Open up LeadMe and then make sure you're logged on as a leader on a different device. If you click on Learner and connect to a leader, and then try and click on device settings, you'll get a pop-up saying that you cannot. If you're unable to exit the app, you'll need to long hold the bottom button in and then reboot the device. Once the device has been rebooted, this time get out of Kiosk mode by long tapping the top and watching for the countdown. Enter the unlock code. If you're unsure of what this code is, please get in touch with the technology team. Once you're out of Kiosk mode, go back and open up LeadMe. Again, click on a learner, click on the leader that pops up, enter in your name, and this time when you click on device settings, you'll be able to go to downloaded services, click on the LeadMe EDU, change the accessibility to on, click on OK once the countdown has been completed, and then complete the second step, the app overlay, and then navigate back. You might also need to click on the menu button at the top to allow file transfers. Once these steps have been completed, you can then put the device back into Kiosk mode. You will need to complete these steps for each student device and the teacher tablet.